Sugar lips. Jacqueline.
Abu Hassan.
That boat, sugar lips. It's called sugar lips. Jacqueline. The boat right there.
Yes.
Abu Hassan. Wow. Wow, على الكاميرا. Wow.
Huh? You like that? Here, wait a minute.
Look at camera. Look at camera.
Wait a minute.
Look at camera. Oui.
There you go. Now you can get down.
Lai.
This is our captain,
Captain Cook.
Rabee. Actually, you have the same name that I have.
Wow.
And this is his brother. What's your name again, big man? Mohammed. Now they like to call him little brother, but he don't want to be called little brother. He just want to be called brother. Huh? He do favor Richie. Yes, he do. Richie, if you seeing this here, this is what we saying. Look at that sun.
قول له جنب المصحف اللي ده فوق معلق في الزوايا. جنب المصحف النازل. في الزاوية فوق الخن باب الخن على طول. فوق الزاوية فوق الخن. يا محمد تقلب على البابور يا أخي. خلاص جيت رجالة. أبوي كان بيجي منكم ثقيلة كده مش عارف ليه. ثقيلة والله.
We got a visitor coming. Oh, he's gonna pull you out. Get the wind guard. Okay. Okay, cool.
The water is coming. It's going up that way. Very hard.
Hard to go through the current. See, we are being pulled out into the Nile so we can use our sailboat. And our captain has just given us the okay to take off. He's wrapping it up. He's getting ready. He's doing it in. And now he's done. There you go. He's got. Smile for the people. There you go. Salute.
Bueno, Jose.
There she got one already. She got the little pup ball. Yep, got her. Got your boat out there. All right. We'll clip down. Stop that.